Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva offline. While Canva is largely a cloud-based tool, requiring an internet connection for its full suite of features, there are some specific ways you can continue your design work even without being connected. We will explore the limited but useful functionalities available through the desktop and mobile applications, helping you understand what is possible when you are not online. When working offline with the Canva app, you can perform several key editing tasks. You are able to modify existing text, adjusting both the content and the font styles. Basic shapes can be added and customized to fit your design needs. Furthermore, any elements from your preloaded brand kit, such as colors and logos, remain accessible for application. You can also open and work on designs you have previously saved. To maximize your offline design experience, preparation is key. First, ensure you have the Canva desktop or mobile application installed on your device. Log into your account while connected to the internet to sync all your designs and templates. If you plan to use specific images or graphics, download them in advance. For presentations, remember to enable the offline presenting feature for each design. It is important to understand that full Canva functionality, including creating new designs from scratch or accessing the extensive content library, requires an active internet connection. Features like real-time collaboration and advanced artificial intelligence tools are also unavailable offline. However, any changes you make while disconnected will automatically synchronize once you regain internet access. For comprehensive offline design, consider dedicated desktop software.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.